Have you ever watched someone taste wine like a sommelier, swirling the glass, smelling it, analyzing the color and throat? Okay, but where do I even start? Don't worry, you don't need to be an expert. Hi, I'm Pietro from Palate la Marronaia. We are a family-run farm. We produce organic and biodynamic wine in San Gimignano. Some of our wine won also the Verano Wine Hunter Festival. If you're interested to the wine world, follow us and subscribe. Today, I will show you how to taste wine in a simple, natural and enjoyable way, just like we do here at Marronaia. 3 steps: look, smell and taste. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will feel far more confident than what you expect. Before you taste it, look at the wine. The color already tells you a lot. If it's young, it will look brighter and more vibrant. If it's age, the color becomes deeper and warmer. Tilt the glass lightly and check the wine consistency. If it slides slowly down the glass, it's more structured. If it slides quietly, it's lighter. You are not looking for perfection. You are learning to read the wine with your eyes. Now, the most magical step, the aroma. Start with a quick smell without swirling the glass. That's the wine first breath. Then, gently swirl it. These help the aromas to open up. Now, smell again. More deeply. You don't need to identify 20 different notes. Just ask yourself, what does remind me of? Simple example. Fruits, apple, pear, cherry, plum, or flowers, like rose or jasmine. Herbs, sage or rosemary. Spicy, like vanilla, pepper, or cocoa. The goal isn't to sound like a sommelier. The goal is to recognize what you feel. And the more you smell, the more you know slur. Now, yes, let's taste it. Take a smell sip and let it move around your mouth. Focus on 3 things. 1. The attach. In wine tasting, the attach refers to the very first impression a wine makes on your palate, happening in the first few seconds of tasting. Is it sweet, dry, soft, fresh? Second, the structure. Is it light? Is it full body? Does it feel in your mouth or glide away quickly? Third, the finish. After you swallow, what stays? Fruits, spicy, a fresh sensation. The finish is the most emotional part. That's where you truly feel the wine's character. Tasting isn't memorizing, it's listening. Remember this. Tasting wine isn't about guessing the right aromas. It's about listening to what the wine is telling you. It's a personal experience. It doesn't matter if you smell cherry and someone else smells strawberry. Wine speaks differently to each of us, and that's the beauty of it. So, look at it, smell it and taste it. And above all, enjoy it. Here at Marronaia, we always say that the wine isn't a taste. You have to pass. It's a moment to live. If you want to learn how to taste wine with us in person, among the vineyards and the cellar, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and come visit us in San Gimignano. We'll guide you step by step, one glass at a time. Cheers!